Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can get rid of Bigo Live. To get started, open up Bigo Live application and the user interface will appear like this. So I assume that you want to get rid of the Bigo Live. Then there is two ways. What you can do is first of all log out of the Bigo Live. So in order to log out, you can just go to the me section and in the top right section you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see the log out button. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will be automatically logged out. And another way to get rid of it is to click on account management. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see account ownership and then delete your account. You can just delete your account in order to get rid of your Bigo Live account. We have made another video on how you can delete your account of Bigo Live. So that's all guys, these two are the only working method to get rid of the Bigo Live, or you can just uninstall the application if you want to uninstall it. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.